Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a new hand embroidery design with you. This geometric pattern is simple yet elegant, perfect for adding a touch of handmade beauty to everyday items. Today's pattern is available for you to download. Just check the link in the description below. In this video, I'll guide you through each step of creating this design, and I'll also share some ideas on where you can use it once it's complete. This design works beautifully on cushion covers, making it a stunning addition to any living room or bedroom decor. Imagine a set of cushions with this geometric pattern. It's a simple way to add a handmade, cozy feel to your home. And it's not just for home decor. You can also use this pattern to add a unique accent to clothing. It looks fantastic on the hem or sleeves of a salwar kameez, or even on the back of a jacket. Adding embroidery to your wardrobe creates pieces that are truly one of a kind. Another idea is to incorporate this design into table linens. Embroider it on napkins, table runners or placemats to bring an elegant personal touch to your dining table. Your guests are sure to notice the extra detail. For something you can take on the go, this design would look stylish on the front of a plain tote bag. It turns a simple accessory into something that reflects your personality and creativity. So, as you can see, this simple geometric pattern has so many possibilities. Whether you add it to cushions, clothing, table linens, or even wall art, it's sure to make a beautiful statement. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more ideas for using embroidery in creative ways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.